What's up, man? Bro really could have just sneaked up on me with a 45 millimeter. Yo, I did not hear that motherfucker. Like, son, what the fuck? Oh. God bless, God bless. I'm thankful. I'm thankful that, man, the angels got my back. It's honestly so beautiful out here, man. This water is just heaven to my ears. Let's go touch it. Watch your step, watch your step. This look like a damn snake. Yo, you see how clear that fucking water is? That don't mean it tastes good. Looking at my reflection. Give me some loving, call me. Let me know how's the view from here, guys. Let me know how's the view from here. He's cold. He's cold for real. She really cold. She really cold. Have a good day. Shit, I'm about to get with it, man. That water, it felt motherfucking ice cold. I ain't gonna hold you. Damn, look at this shit. Damn, that big go all the way to the top. Fuck. They go to the top of this hole. Yeah. Damn. Yo, it's so awesome how Mother Nature can just create all this. Like, that's honestly cool as fuck. I was smoking some Zai. It smelled like they were smoking some Zai. Some Zazida. Let's go. It's a big one, a little dog. Damn, look at that wet puddle. Let's go around that motherfucker. Yo, I left my stick. I left my stick with it. Oh, shorty. Nature is just nature, man. It's just... fuck. Yo, I kind of want to leave my phone on it. All right, man. Come back up here. I ain't gonna lie, this video is a movie, son. I ain't even expect myself to do this. New stick. Let me do it. Damn, y'all let me know how this video is. It really don't matter because I'm posting up a guy. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, I was thinking this was on the way up there. I was just all the way up there. All the way up there. It's like a little mountaintop. Little Siggy. You got the shrooms right there. Mushies. The fungi. You in the exploration hunt right now? We searching for this motherfucking river. Oh no. Oh yes. Yo, I'm jumping up this bitch, man. Oh, sugar. Bleep. So much roots. Let me get some fruit. Damn. First day of the 7-day fast. 7-day water fast. Yeah. Man. Today, I smelled so much good food earlier. So that I allowed myself to be hungry because I smelled so much food. But that don't mean I ate. No. That don't mean I ate. So how y'all day going? Look at this bit. Wow! If you know, you know. Little leaf on the ground. 360. What if I find a crystal? Lorax tree. Damn, is that alligator in that motherfucking water? Say, nah, we not even in Florida. Florida. Damn, there's hella Lorax trees over here. This look cool though. Orange, white, yellow. That's like a whitish yellow in my eyes. This is like a brownish orange. Yeah. We got some people we seen. A fallen tree. Yo, it's crazy. I wonder how much years these trees been around for. I ain't gonna lie. Like, damn. How y'all doing?
It's like
Damn. I see some squirrels back there. You see them? Woo. That's hard. That's super hard. Damn, look at all these buttholes. Damn, this motherfucker look different though. It look like a little smoke pot. What's that? Furnaces or some shit like that. If you could see it, you could see it. Maybe that's where they got the idea from. I think a lot of ideas were inspired by nature. Oh my gosh. Look at this tree though. Nature is art itself. I feel like hugging a tree, but in my mind, I feel like that's kind of weird. But I feel like doing it though. So we gonna visit this fat ass river. They said no swimming in this bitch. Damn, son, I wanna slap it. Oh! I felt the pressure back on that bit. Yo, I love how it's getting more bright and stuff outside. We gonna do a little jump, 360 jump.